Aiden, tell everybody this is the Angry Birds. Tell them this is the Angry Birds. Live action. What's that piece you got there? What is that piece called that you're using?
Hey, almost!
Almost. What's this game called? Can you tell everybody out there what's going on?
Almost.
Well, tell everybody that this is Angry Birds Knock on Wood game. You build, you launch, you destroy. So you can make your own ones up like that, and then you can launch your Angry Birds.
I launched my Angry Birds.
That's right.
Hey, almost!
That's a tough build we have there. That's one of the toughest builds. It's gone through about 3 or 4 launches. Nothing. He's got no knockdown. He's still going with, which one are you going to go with? The Blackbird?
That's the Blackbird.
Oh, it's a good shake, but nothing falls. Which bird are you going to use now again?
Blackbird.
Alright, he's back. He's going to use the Blackbird. Oh yeah, he got 2 pigs down. 2 pigs down, the star's down, and the eggs are down. 2 pigs are left to do. Which bird are you going to use?
The red bird.
The red bird is next.
You gotta put this away. Hey, just knock over. Baba, just knock over. That's not good, but this is not Sunny game.
Alright, this is the red birds. Got 2 pigs left to get, and nothing. Nothing on the red bird the first shot. And he's gonna go. Let's see how he attacks this one. He puts the red bird in, and he misses. That's a miss.
Can this miss?
Then 2 chances, 2 pigs left. He's moving a little closer, it appears. He's gonna go, and he's got... Oh, he moves the tower, but they don't fall. The pigs stay up. 2 pigs stay up. The red bird just missed him. Just missed him. Here we go. He's going back with the red bird again. Oh, that's a bad shot. That's a misfire. That's a misfire. You gotta take your time and do a better shot than that, or you'll probably leave those pigs standing for a little bit longer. That's a misfire, yeah. Oh, there's a much better shot, but the pigs are holding tough. The pigs. Yeah, that was a good shot. That was a good shot. It was a nice high one. A good high. But he's pulling it right up. He's going for the closest shot available. That's what he's going to do with the red bird here. Oh, and that's a backward shot. That was a pure misfire again. He's had a few bad ones. He's not performing well. You know, this is the first time on national television, and he's not really performing like he's performed in the earlier, as he was coming up through the minors. But here's the shot. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, those pigs are 2 of the toughest pigs that we've ever seen up here. And knock on wood. Angry Birds knock on wood. You know, I'm wondering if the red bird is just tired. Maybe you need to pull the red bird out and go with the yellow bird, or go back with the blackbird for a while. Those are the options he's got. That's what he's got in the arsenal. That's what he's got in the arsenal. He's going back to the red bird though. Oh, he's over the top of the tower. He's over the top of the tower, and he doesn't even drop the triangle. It looked like the triangle was going to fall. For some period of time, the triangle was sliding closer and closer to the edge, but it never did go. No, it never did. I think that bounced right off it. You know, I had my head down for a second. I couldn't quite see, but oh no, we got fan interference. And we're going to need a rebuild. Wow, that's a shame. What a shame. Fan interference, but that red bird was just not working well for him. It just wasn't doing the trick. So we're probably going to need a rebuild on that. We're going to hold off. Yeah, till we can get